Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pause a video recording on your iPhone. So when you're trying to record a video with your normal camera app on your iPhone, you've probably noticed that there's just no way to pause a video. So when I'm right now recording a video and I try to pause it, for example by clicking on this red button right here, then you've noticed that it will just not pause at all and it will immediately just end the video and send it to your camera gallery. Luckily there's a really easy way to fix this. So when you simply want to make a video with some pauses in it, then here's how you can do this. So we're actually needing to use an external app. Luckily that external app that we're going to use is the TikTok app, and I'm guessing that 99% of everyone who's watching this video right now has the TikTok app. So what you simply want to do is open the TikTok app just like this. And then what you simply want to do is you want to click on this plus icon right here, because we're simply going to start recording a video on TikTok. And no, you don't have to save it to your drafts, you don't have to post it, just watch. Simply click on it, and now we're going to simply create a video with some pauses in it, just like this. And then we're going to make another pause. We're right now making a pause, but we can still continue filming. And right now we have two clips with a pause using our normal camera. And what you simply want to do right now is click on this little check mark right here. And then you can simply download your actual video you just created using the download button. Just like this. And now it says save to album. So what you now want to do is click on photos right here. And then if you simply go to your gallery, we right now literally have that video we just created from TikTok. And it looks like just like a normal video. However, it has a pause in it, as you guys can see right here. And that's how you can actually pause a video recording on your iPhone. It looks completely normal. It actually looks like you just created it with a normal iPhone camera app. So yeah, that's how you can pause a video recording on iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.